The Egni team here at M-SParc have had a great 2024. We have delivered our first ever Sustainable Food Festival. We have challenged decision makers and policy makers in the Egni conference. We have given decarbonisation advice and grants to businesses across Anglesey and even planted over 250 trees on the site to help with sustainability.
I led on 2 projects this year, Plant for Plant and the Egni Food Festival. In March we planted 250 Christmas trees in pots that will be rented out over Christmas. From this project, the children will learn about entrepreneurial skills and sustainability. In October, we had the Egni Food Festival. We had panel sessions about sustainable food and business support. We had a chef demonstration from Chateau Rianver. Our STEM team put on 2 STEM sessions where children can learn about sustainability and food. Also, we had 20 food vendors at the event where they showcased their produce.
Trwy'r gwaith, da ni wedi bod yn neud efo tîm Egni a'r clysterau carbon isel, Offshore Energy Alliance a North West Nuclear Arc. Da ni wedi bod yn codi ymwybyddiaeth o'r cyfleoedd sydd yma rŵan a'r cyfleoedd fydd yma yn y dyfodol I gwmnïau ag unigolion yn y sector a'r maes yn ei carbon isel.
It's been great to work with the Egni team on their nuclear energy animation project.
The UK has set a goal of reaching net zero by 2050.
Ni wedi creu cwrs llythrennedd carbon, neu carbon literacy cwrs. Mae hwn wedi cael ei archredu gan y Carbon Literacy Project. Pwrpas y cwrs yw I darparu'r gwybodaeth a'r tools I busnesau yn Gogledd Cymru, dysgu nhw beth mae climate change yn meddwl, sy'r fath o newidiadau mae hwn yn mynd I effeithio nhw. Hefyd ni wedi creu a gweinyddu cronfa I busnesau lleol archebu technoleg newydd carbon isel.
This grant has supported us in installing a Viessmann Vitacal 150A air source heat pump, which is going to provide domestic hot water and space heating for the building.
SPF funding, helped by M-SParc, given us the chance to try new innovative technology, find those little improvements that will make the Menai Strait a better place and Ribbride a more sustainable business.
Diolch yn fawr iawn I M-SParc am y grant digarboneiddio. Hefo hwnna, da ni wedi medru prynu wood waste heater. Mae'n stopio ni gyrru y wast I gyd I landfill. Hefyd mae'n helpu cadw fo'n sych yma, so da ni wedi cael problema efo glud I mysychu, paent I mysychu'n iawn. So mae hwn yn gret a mae'n cadw'r staff yn gynas hefyd.
We all know that climate change is one of the biggest problems facing the planet at the moment, and here in North Wales we've got a lot of natural resources. Part of our role as the Egni team is to look at the economic opportunities that we can derive from the just transition to net zero. So we're helping to create new jobs, bringing in inward investment and helping companies to innovate in 2025 and beyond.